Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, I'm just doing an 8K video sample. This is just the intro. Stay tuned for the 8K, I'm gonna say cinematic Mustang video. I don't know what I was trying to do there, but y'all let me know what y'all think about it. I can tell you one thing, the 8K video on the Z Fold7 has been amazing by what I'm putting out, you know, what I'm seeing on the camera, also what's on my computer. But let's see if it transfers to YouTube correctly. Y'all let me know if y'all like it or not. Let's have a friendly discussion. If you picked up the Z Fold7, let me know what color and storage size you got, and if you're liking it and so forth. But until next time, peace, I'm out.
You